Good morning, students. I think you have finished your exercise 4B, 4C, and 4E. Today I am going to discuss about the exercise 4D, right? So in exercise 4D, the first question is if x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0 and x cube plus 4y cube plus 9z cube is equal to 18xyz. So you have to find out the or you have to evaluate x plus 2y upon xy, right? Then 2y plus 3z upon yz, then 3z plus x upon zx whole square. You have to evaluate this expression. So what I did say to you, what I told you, what is given? Given is x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0 and x cube plus 4y cube plus 9z cube is equal to 18xyz. What is given and what you have to find out? We have to find out x plus 2y, right? So it can be find out if you see here from this equation x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0. So x plus 2y is equal to minus 3z, right? Then 2y plus 3z, again you will get the value of 2y plus 3z from here from the first equation. 2y plus 3z is equal to minus x. In the same way 3z plus x is equal to minus 2y. So I am doing the same thing here. See in solution, x plus 2y plus z 3z is equal to 0, therefore x plus 2y is equal to minus 3z. 2y plus 3z is equal to minus x and 3z plus x is equal to minus 2y. After that what you have to do, whatever you have to find out, there you have to put the value x plus 2y. What is x plus 2y? In place of x plus 2y you are writing minus 3z because x plus 2y is equal to minus 3z, it is given over here. 2y plus 3z is equal to minus x. See, it is given here. 3x plus 3z plus x is equal to minus 2y. So after putting the values here, we are getting 9z square x square plus 4y square. You are taking LCM xyz. It is coming 18xyz upon xyz is equal to 18. So this is a answer. So this way you have to do to solve the questions. What are the key points? Key points are what is given and what is not given, right? So in this, if a plus 1 upon a is equal to m and a not equal to 0, the value of a minus 1 upon a. So a minus 1 upon a, you will write such a formula: a minus 1 upon a is equal to whole square is equal to a plus 1 upon a whole square minus 4. So a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to m square minus 4. Therefore a minus 1 upon a is equal to plus minus under root m square minus 4. So the key point is what is given. Given is a plus 1 upon a is equal to m, and what you have to find out? You have to find out a minus 1 upon a. So write such a formula in which given expression and the expression which you have to find out, that should be present over there. So in this formula, a minus 1 upon a and a plus 1 upon a also present. So we can find out the value of a minus 1 upon a because a plus 1 upon a is given, that is m square minus 4. In the same way we have to find out the value of a square minus 1 upon a square. So this can be find out a plus 1 upon a into a minus 1 upon a. A plus 1 upon a is given already into the question. A minus 1 upon a we have find out. So a plus 1 upon a into a minus 1 upon a is equal to a square minus 1 upon a square. Therefore m into under root m square minus 4. Few formulas I want to discuss over here. This is the another format of a cube plus b cube. You have studied this formula already. I have discussed with you in the previous videos. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, and a square plus ab plus b square, right? So question number 4 is based on these formula. This is the different format. As I have discussed you, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b, that was the another format, and this is the another one, right? So you have to learn all the format of the formulas, because it will help you for solving the questions, because what is given and what you have to find out, according to that you will decide which formula will be suitable for solving the questions, right? Thank you.